Alright guys, welcome to the channel again. This is my latest, my completed project. A house that I've been working on is done. It's on market. Right there, the sign right there is sell. I'm actually closing on this in 2 days. So I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of what I did and how it looks like. It looks like that. It's got a 2-car garage. It's got a brand new, I put a brand new door right here and a brand new window. I did some landscaping a little bit on the front here to just make it look nice. This is a great neighborhood. The garage is very, very big. It looks like that. This is a brand new garage door that I put in here. I also put in a new garage opener right there. The Chamberlain with MyQ app, so you can open it right here on your phone. There's another little extension on this garage and a window right there, so you can park your car, 2 cars here, and then like a little space there to put like a fridge or something else. All right, so we're gonna go inside so we can see how the inside looks. That's the garage, the door from the garage. I did paint inside here because I didn't think I needed to paint the garage. But let's go inside so I can show you guys how it looks. That's the utility room. It's got 2 brand new washer and dryer right there. I got new. So let's go back in here now. So the inside looks like this. Got brand new kitchen with white cabinets, and I got this solid surface countertop, this sink right here. If you guys have been watching me and following me, I did put a small video of it. This one lights up when you turn the water on, lights up. The cabinets, I put some handles on them. They look really nice. These are the soft close ones. They don't bang. Soft close is like this. So new appliances, new microwave, new stove, new fridge. Everything looks super nice. This house has very vaulted ceiling, so we put a fan there with light for the kitchen, and then another light right here, like for the dining room. We did put like some decorations for, aesthetics for the sale stuff. Put a blind, these curtains to cover this. It's not a big house. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, but it's a decent house for somebody. So the stairs goes like this all the way up to the 3 bedrooms. There's no bedroom down here except for that laundry room. Then there's another little living room over here. I did put this flooring. If you've been following me, I did put in the self-leveling cement on these because it was just flat concrete, and the last flooring wasn't that good at all. So this one made the floor look really sharp and nice. That's the window. We put a new window there and this new door. And this one has a fireplace right there. I put those tile there to try to match the floor. To just like painted, stained that little fireplace top there to match everything and to match the stairs. The stairs look like that, going upstairs. Yeah, so it looks like that. So bedrooms is just bedroom. I don't see anything important to show, but I'm gonna show you the bathrooms that are completely remodeled. It looks very nice. So here's the bathroom. I did put on those brand new tiles on the wall. Put on that mirror there, put on this vanity. The bathtub and the toilet, those are brand new. I did put in the exhaust up there, the lighting, put a new one on for this bathroom here. This is like one of the bathrooms. And then this is a bedroom right here. I put a fan up there. There's this linen storage right there. And then another bathroom with a closet. Did replace all the doors. I like these doors right here. The slide really smooth. Put new lighting, the windows. And then this is another bed right here, bedroom with new lights, and all those smoke detectors and carbon monoxide up there, per the code. That's it, guys. The house looks good from the top. It looks like this. If we go from the top, you can look at, you can see the kitchen down there. Looks like that. It's an L shape. Super nice. So this one is selling, man. Finally, got this selling. It's been in the market for about 5 months. Probably 6 maybe. I'm not sure, but it's selling in 2 days. All right, so if you like stuff like this, I got another project I'm working on, 2 more houses I'm working on. I do hire people to help me out sometimes, because I also have a full-time job, so I can't do everything myself. Please subscribe, follow, hit that thumb, like, share with your friends. And if you enjoy this type of stuff, DIY type of things, please subscribe. And I'll catch you guys later. Bye.